I say na uguso na uko Adom 106.3 FM. Facebook wall. Na o share responsibly. Nana J Obrempon Atnase. Emmanuel Esheye Nsabre ewo Facebook sanso na Peter Mercy Ewua. Munyina ye tuche edemamo. Se Sabre monso mo hweyen ewo Adom 106.3 FM Facebook wall. Sanso na Vivian Abeka. Monso wo hwe wo se Dansuman ena wo Emmanuel Ej. Wo se wo hweyen na enkoma Nana Ej wo Germany. Da munyina se papa se abribia oguso na mo hweyen. Josephine se wa ba wo se u station wutia ene Adom FM wo Leicester UK tuche ema munyina. Francis tuche edemamo wo se English CP Obrempon CP me ma wo akwa ba
ya a song
ademeka akwa ba no na oso ye ne
ya a song. It's a slow-mo greeting.
It's a what greeting?
Slow-mo greeting.
And also say.
Oh, send there is just a statement of fact. A greeting that goes with slow pace.
Minimum dear say what dictionary for phobia ya what kind encyclopedia now dear no different.
I don't read dictionaries. Have inbuilt dictionary within my DNA. It's a natural thing.
Natural thing. What should that building wall?
Man said that you building a home nam ye.
But what you do so pa?
Oh now
Barbara Furubo how kana. Why say? Nana kwa ban sem tisi.
Ya song esem de sisi na ene die. Mesre tiefo pa se. Ya mo fa ncheme. Sense nem sem ne beba no. They are too can be horrific.
When you say unya maya cry no na wo story back nunu me kande ka bitwagum.
Can say twagum.
Ba na me twen.
Twagum. Na enke say twagum pa sansa sem ne bro me so ano so. That's all. Eti dia ubaya ne se wo logon wo Facebook anu aba.
Eno na ya me dia no logon.
We unhia hwe. It's just a matter of logon. Na je se Facebook waba na nsemu a SCNA. Facebook ndia dia na me ma di twa no frede minya bi nhwe mpese me amehwe bi. Aha.
Se me wo ho dada.
Aba beto ma hu wo ho. Etu ba so announce wa she ename nche kra just 10 minutes.
Se be tuntum pa o. Me Facebook.
Me je se pa. Unse ye kakra na se o tonku pa ne anti se me nkuma sesa no.
Eguto ya na mi so.
So uzika se wo fo.
Buy made in Ghana.
Uzika se wo fo.
Why papa ya organic yo.
Uduru ye ho no a.
Na unku be na yuzu.
O se.
Enku be na yuzu.
Enku. OPE.
CPA.
SMCC.
SMCC ampa.
Na ye two plane is a flight number 106.3. Case number 1.
Mumpado mama me ochina mumpado manjuki anma mutu kirei.
Now, man hospitalized due to an endless erection. Man hospitalized due to an endless erection. When we say erection, it is when something is looking horizontally in nature. Now, before an erection, there is a down blow. I just identified the form and Sunday pager. This man, Sabrei, the Bema, are sorry for continuous 90 days. And to from Edda. Berlin, Italy.
There be Germany.
Berlin.
Only a chair. Good morning.
The guest girl. Anti Berlin. And as some you see, yeah. Bra Facebook says here. Never man ya. Ye cannot say me. He's such a beautiful and interjectory
Or a handsome.
handsome man.
Yeah.
Interjectory just say also osoba.
No correct.
Interjectory. What money member features. That just said who first in Bema.
Big fan on Facebook, you mean who said the home for pa?
Bra yina.
The busu mean so come out.
Ne Bema are sorry for 90 consecutive years, days. When we say something is consecutive, it means that there are no breakages continuously. No vacation, no holiday, no lunchtime, nothing except continuous. Etini Bema sorry, your friend is Danny Polaris. Danny Polaris. Anna Nicole. Enya sewin. Na the boy and say, yes, okokonum Viagra. Okokonum Viagra say oko clap. He was going to clap. He was clapping. And in the anticipation of meeting a woman at the clubbing, he took the Viagra to exorbitate or complement his sexual abilities. So in the state of complementing his sexual libidopica enhancement, he was falling into a trap of endless reactivity.
You make me feel like you are preaching.
Oh, yes. So that endless erectivity, it has rendered the man into hospitalization in a clinic in Berlin.
Who's who the hospital?
And Tiabaya no just say, baby, and Bama ya dindia kwakoduno. No kwasam, Sabani say will be proud say we to habayre. And answer will boko fia when yaso. Eventually, you should be man the 2 be a person. And to a man warning say, now. Listen to the statement carefully, attentively, with all your attention, because it is a very authentic statement. Oma warning man say he should consciously defrace himself from the existence of womanhood.
Men sorry ana.
Let us say free a man.
Dan say oba am sorry pa o.
He should defray his existence
from
the womanhood existence. Because the nature and the volume of his erection, it has been merged and catapulted, and in fact, it has been metamorphosed and tantamounted into a timber tree. Tantamount means that something like. We call it a simile. Tantamount. Adia be a sebibi. Doctor for not to Berman says, holy no. Ayo holy Sakura idea to a book. He's not ready to have sex with a woman.
I say, I have by
and now what Berman say one what I no. One to me say trouser, or to me say supporter, or to me say boxers, or to me say bibia, unless an open space attack.
I say boo. I say boo.
Exactly. And what to me say Sabri Mano, na so she pa I want some and no babepia. COVID no. Case number 2. Couples should wear face masks during sex.
Hey.
New study insists. But when you hear the word insist, it is not an advice. It is compulsory statement. Compulsory statement means that something that comes with compulsion or force.
Englishman, speak on.
Now, anything insists. Yes, Bama Bia say from henceforth. So anyway, you did that because of COVID-19 by courtesy, by goodness of COVID-19. No, wear face masks.
And they have no money.
It's Bama be face masks.
Oh
yeah. I started it before the study came.
No, I didn't know me.
Because I want to live long so that I can enjoy a lot of sex. I have to live long so that I can enjoy a lot of sex with my wife. That is negative. Yes. But so COVID-19 do not know wife, no husband.
But so how do you give your wife a kiss?
He didn't say kiss, he said sex.
So what about sex? You know, now no smacks.
In the humanity of attraction, kissing is just a compliment. It is not the target.
Okay.
Because a man can have sex without kissing, but it is difficult to kiss without sex.
A man can have sex
without kissing.
Yes,
you'll be okay.
But
you cannot have kiss without having sex.
Obi ha was media kisses the mempe but hu ni na ka ho na eso.
But study ni say because of yade ninti Harvard University and Adebaye say wan kata wa no now na betre say onum ntasuo frem say magi ana say sugar na say oye so de better free oba nanum wobekọ be ma bi fi ne yira no a ne katre ma nyina wo yi firi ne yam anu abubagu oba nanum as ye horo sapo oh oba ni tutu ne katre masoma no and mom say enye katawa no katawo hwene because sister di ni kire say remember bebrewa when they are having kissing no do we mu say home ebo wa pogu ma nanum no enye you see you are doing saliva mixture. And so in the process of doing the saliva mixture, no, there is the intertwining of two salivas.
What?
Intertwining. That's a mixture, engagement, encounter of two salivas. Yeah. English is my life. English is my life.
English dictionary no the amano for one day.
It is my brain chip. I can't take it away. It is embedded. Unless I
so
give
what is embedded?
Oh, when you are in bed, embedded, something that is inbuilt. Embedded. It is usually to be that people are embedded. Akoto mean to me me chepo na o mitrimu. It is a me wo dia memobi. It is a bread yeka no. Ama asem no bebre so omunyin tum bebre so omjitum no say whatever you think it is the case asabre aba wono yire no kuro da katawa no beti za that is amodi awie. OPD case number 3.
Kowanim
yako Tanzania.
Yanko.
Na Tanzania na abeto dwa se kromfuo bi a thief. Wako operation so akwa wiade. Na di wia na wo wia na mu no. Whatever transpired between his sleeping viruses and the waking symptoms, we don't know. But he was overtaken by the syndrome of abrupt sleeping. And now, abrupt sleeping. Abrupt sleeping. And what die? Well, we are no money na pakegun and chang. And I tell you, we've been in the two no pictures in our Facebook, Coco Baby. And I conform of a wadaho. What da
say hate.
One katana no, one katana nim, and wadawa ma. Ejuma efie wura no do wi anoma na ba beti no na no na call radio station bi a friend say ITV Zanzibar omuni ni din komo eno TV no ewura fie ho ena che say wo huri fence ne start say wo wi anoma wo fa we no fa we o fa empaboa no fa dross no obie pab say nsuo ni hwengu na do obenhu bia no wafa no asese no mani nyina wie ye no obi nim de esi no wa pia bonten afei se obekọ osuonko bibia kana manada oda na sabre one be fa no a we found him deep asleep in a car with all he had stolen in the previous night on his lap.
I say me esrepa. What we had no money in.
Oh, no, what you can go be what Facebook na be wada. But I want to believe, say, he was suffering from a disease, indication of elephantiasis or trypanosomiasis. Trypanosomiasis. You know, when we say trypanosomiasis, it is a sleeping sickness. When you get that infection, as you are doing this work, good now we bet me at that.
Sanka obrempon CPA ba na oye o story. Na what? No, enya normal.
It's a trypanosomiasis. Yare.
Don't you think say of bibi ofi ho enom ye?
What the order be one way. Kromfo ko ba bia wonom hwe.
Akromfo bitimi bo wrafie. Om say cheso mu hu aduane ne o ma egu fridge mu a. O mu timi di bi ba.
We de wa nidi. But you say no na wi an eboro no so. Eboro na dwene ne nti aso so. Era sabre wada me achi no a. Ebisa no wantime nya no. Na titi banafo mam story biem.
Akwa no.
Mam story biem.
Hwena no pa wo de da ho.
Wo de bra Facebook na behwe.
Hwe bomodin so obekwa Adom 106.3 FM Facebook wo no.
And one significant thing about this thief is that in fact I don't know whether it's by creature or by artificial adoption, he has been denied the quality of handsomeness. e wonya fe
do we say pa Ghana has all the two musicians ni bi ho aka ba
o se OPD pa o se OPD na ho fe de
wanya
now case number 4 Papa Ina wa bone yire ama hwe na no a Facebook mmehwe ade bi I don't relate e ma bo
wonim tie asema wo kan say akoyi a wakowi ade pa bebusa say what the two musicians say wo Ghana ho a wo say hwan a wo say me na me musician be pa cho wo a wutie en pa bo modern so obekọ adom 106.3 FM ne ko he akwa we nsem okwan bi aso say na no sitie ne he me say me gina we ose me
he looks like an incarnate of OPD.
Oh Debbie, it's not possible.
Incarnate.
No.
Ose pa
ose me akwa we be den with
when him the dra fine to come
also for Aidan me pa cho also for wa we dey mente ase ha konfo we dey ye fa ne kro no
number
no
interjection. The spirit will go right now. The spirit I'm working with will leave.
Debbie. Efia say or say
Efia gawe.
Efia will be the Debbie hwe wo dey wa ready. Efia no cho
Efia me come will be at be Efia no Avia ni atwa ne hey
Efia so say why
me meka ne ha this is come the military back from Afia
anyway Efia no say
anti aye OPD
Efia bo musician bi di ho
obi so obi di
say obrempo osro we ye hufo kra che obi a na no wo say ya mo video wo buafu
me nye hu say
Dabi o say why
me nye hu
o say
I am being professional. You see, it is unprofessional to mention people name and link it to destruction and beautiness.
As I mean, when me
case number 4. Mami no ni kunute. Wanina wonkwara bebre. We can multiple children. But fortunately or unfortunately, say nkwara ni nyina anya papa ni ma. And a man yakoya DNA. In fact, Nicodemusly, he went out there to conduct a medical and blood oxygen.
I like the way you said the medical.
Oh yeah, medical examination to find out whether indeed and Kwalano the flow of his veins or the breath of his manhood. But unfortunately to him, none of them belongs to him.
Wow.
They don't so cry ni omojam. The furiosity of the man angered him and propelled him to beat the woman mercilessly.
Abromiso.
Abone yire no fimfram. Ama sabre ya kasadie. Wabano na nimpa ubesha. If I should describe it grammatically, the face of the woman looks allomimica. When you say allomika, it means that allomi ayamwano. It has been reframed into allomic status. But on Facebook na behwe. The way man na sia boni na yire no. Now the original face of the man, the husband, wife no, at the Facebook. And you did the ya bono no, the recreation no so at all. So you can see the clear difference. Wa muni ye. Wa muni we upon so amuno kwa. Ba be man say ya ni ya. Was ya na juda suom. Wa ba yitimi to nsa fra no. Ewo ayi atopan go prama yi so
atopan park
ene jai wo buni ta dwa etu anu oba ne beda bia abrante nyom no so
tutu ni sin na efrin
ensu san kwara nya ne ba okonyim ba anu amna be fertilize no ama sabre be ma ne buafu a ehun sam so ewo ha
but eno so kra nwan say wo be ma chese ete say dia kra at least e wo senka ana na nkwamu an nya adwuma
bindim yansu ya yenye hu aduro nyansu hu si ye no
ade o ebia si Ghana ha o
Ghana ha na oka Ghana de se ka se nkran enti ya opie de besi na nyam ya duma wo kina sa de ndie titi po ayewa po opidi wo po ye beye sa story na kina de
na ye beye no se wo se hunu mu a
kina de ye beye mo ye de ye beye video no so atoso kina
responsible
eti wo kina mo ntwa nyam ya dum na ya ngu a ye be sa babio na case number eti bemai ne ko te edina bro
responsibly